Hello everyone and welcome to your 16th Adobe After Effects tutorial, Masking. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a mask and we will check out the mask properties. So let's start. First, we will import an image from here. Let's import this one. Left click, drag it to the new composition icon, and then a new composition will be created by the dimensions of this image, that is 1024 by 768. In order to create a mask, select the layer that you create the mask on, select the pen tool, and you can start creating the mask. A mask is basically that you can select any area of an image and then you can either hide it or you can hide the area outside of the mask, and then you can composite many things all at once. For example, if I mask out the face of this koala, to do that we will first use the pen tool, left click anywhere to start creating a path or a mask, and start creating the points. Now remember, you can left click once to create a point, you can left click again to create another point, but if you want to create a curved path between the 2 points, left click once, and then when you left click, do not release the left mouse button. So left click and hold and drag the mouse, and then these handles will appear. You can give a curved path by dragging and selecting any curved path that you want to give, and these handles are called the roto beziers, and these handles control the curvature of the line between the 2 points. So we can quickly create the mask. We will leave out the absolute details for now. Left click and drag, create the curvature. And as you can see, the face of the koala came out as soon as we completed the mask. As you can see, its face is now out. Now let us check out the mask properties in the next tutorial, and we will learn how to further work with the mask properly. Thank you for watching.